Personal pronouns. There are three cases of personal pronouns in English. They are subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. In this video, we'll learn only about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. We use subject pronouns to refer to the performer of an action. For example, I walk my dog, or you do this task. We also use subject pronouns to replace the common or proper names to avoid repetition in speech. For example, this is Tom. He's reading a book. Or, the plants are by the window. They're looking good. Lastly, we use subject pronouns to summarize multiple action performers with a single word. For example, my sister and I are chatting. As you can see here, there are two performers in this sentence. By using a subject pronouns, we can simply say we are chatting. Or, Alice, John, Katie, and Tom are friends. As you can see, there are four names mentioned here. By using a subject pronoun, we can simply say they are friends. Now, when it comes to the function and the place of subject pronouns in a sentence, we need to remember that subject pronouns always function as a subject and come right before to be or verb in a sentence. For example, I am a student, you are a student, he is a student, we are students, you are students, they are students. Or, I go to school, you go to school, she goes to school, we go to school, you go to school, they go to school. Practice time. For the first assignment, what you need to do is to look at the pictures you see on the screen and use the correct subject pronoun for each picture. You have 30 seconds to complete this task. After 30 seconds, I'll show the correct answers so you can cross-check. Alright, time is up. Let's see the correct answers for the first assignment. They, he, she, you, we, I, it, they. For this assignment, what you need to do is by referring to the underlined subjects on the left side of the screen to fill in the blank spaces with the correct subject pronouns. Once again, you have 30 seconds to complete this task. After 30 seconds, I'll show the correct answers so that you can cross-check. Time is up. Let's see the correct answers for the second assignment. John and I are close friends. We are close friends. John is traveling around the country now. He is traveling around the country now. Will your friends come to the party? Will they come to the party? Are you and your friends joining us? Are you joining us? The guests are sitting in the lobby. They are sitting in the lobby. She and her sister live together. They live together. Mrs. Brown is baking a cake in the kitchen. She is baking a cake in the kitchen. My father has 4 brothers. He has 4 brothers. The buses are crowded all the time. They are crowded all the time. The news is very good. It is very good. To practice more, you can replace the underlined subjects in the sentences below with the proper subject pronouns. And if you want, you can write your sentences in the comments section below. I'll try to check them for you whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to come.